Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix V's Code not opening in 2026. If Visual Studio Code won't launch, closes immediately, or appears stuck during startup, these troubleshooting steps can help identify the problem. So let's get started. First, make sure V's Code is completely closed. On Windows, open Task Manager and check whether a V's Code process is still running in the background. If you find one, end the process and try launching V's Code again. Next, restart your computer. A temporary system issue or background process can sometimes prevent an application from starting normally. If V's Code still won't open, try launching it without extensions. Extensions can occasionally cause startup problems, especially after an update or configuration change. If V's Code opens without extensions, check the extensions you recently installed or updated. Disable them one by one to find the extension causing the issue. You should also check whether your V's Code installation is up to date. An outdated version may have compatibility problems with your operating system. If the problem continues, consider starting V's Code with a clean or temporary profile to determine whether your user settings or profile data are causing the issue. Before deleting or resetting profile information, make sure you back up any important settings, extensions, or project-related configuration. As a final step, you can reinstall V's Code using the latest official installer. Remove the existing installation only after you're comfortable with the consequences and have saved anything important. If the application still won't open, check system permissions and available disk space. Yeah, sometimes the cause is simpler than it looks, and that's how to troubleshoot V's Code when it won't open. Start with background processes and a restart, then check extensions, settings, and the installation itself. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the V's Code terminal not working in 2026. If the integrated terminal doesn't open, commands fail, or the wrong shell appears,